What are some of the craziest names in human history? Number 1. Reasonable Blackman, a 16th century African American silk weaver. Number 2. Humperdinck Fangboner, a 19th century American farmer. Number 3. Standfast Dick, a Puritan soldier who all the ladies loved. Number 4. Cinderella Cheese, a 19th century Englishwoman. Number 5. Dr. Quackenboss, an 18th century American physician. Number 6. If Jesus had not died for thee thou hadst been damned. Barebone, and his brother, Jesus Christ, came into the world to save Barebone. They were the sons of an English Puritan preacher, who was named Praise God Barebone. Number 7. Jeremiah Onion, a 19th century English farmer. Number 8. Reverence Tiddlywink, a colonial preacher. Number 9. Alfred Bacon Cheese Chicken Wing, a 19th century American. Number 10. Adolph Blaine Charles David Earl Frederick Gerald Hubert Irvin John Kenneth Lloyd Martin Nero Oliver Paul Quincy Randolph Sherman Thomas Uncas Victor William Xerxes Yancey Zeus Wolfish Leichelstein Hausenbergerdorf Sr. What are some of the craziest names in human history? Number 1. Reasonable Black